Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening.
Welcome to Space to Ground. Welcome to Space to Ground.
Houston Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Dan Hewitt. Before we get started, we just wanted to say thanks to everyone that's tuned in over the past few years to learn about what's going on aboard the International Space Station. From the students and teachers to all of you watching online, thank you. It's been a blast bringing you to outer space each week for 200 episodes, and we look forward to doing it for a few hundred more. I miss having that much hair. Anyway, this week, another cargo craft is getting ready to rocket towards the space station. Orbital ATK is gearing up for their 8th resupply mission to the station. The Antares rocket is set to lift off from the Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia after rolling out to the pad this week with Cygnus mounted on top. It's ready to launch on Saturday morning at 7:37 a.m. Eastern, so wake up early and tune in to NASA TV or watch online at nasa.gov or on social media as about 7,400 pounds of science and supplies rocket off the surface. Randy Bresnik spent a few hours this week getting the station ready for some future robotic assistance. Bresnik spent time mapping the interior of the Japanese module Kibo for the upcoming Astro-B project. Set to arrive on the station next spring, the trio of self-contained free-flying robots will be used to help develop the technologies necessary to give astronauts a helping hand, aiming to take over routine chores like cleaning and air monitoring. Designed to be autonomous, this frees up the astronauts to focus on stuff that requires the crew, like science and complex repairs. This week's Twitter question comes from KJ Weiss at North Kansas City High School, and he asked if you can see different planets from station. Well, since they're not far away, the astronauts generally see the same planets we can see here on Earth, but they get a pretty unique view. There aren't any high-powered telescopes for astronauts to gaze at our planetary neighbors with on station, but their suite of photographic equipment gives them the chance for some unique shots. Pictures like these show how incredible Venus can look when viewed from 250 miles above, and one astronaut, Don Pettit, was even able to snag some images from space of when Venus passed directly in front of the sun. Keep sending us your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. And for those educators out there, be sure to check out the Space Station Research Explorer app so you can share how space research right now is impacting our world. We'll see you next week.